NASA says the James Webb telescope is now fully deployed in space. Scientists have successfully unfolded the final mirrored part of the observatory. The telescope was sent into orbit last month. It aims to unlock the mysteries of the early universe. Well, later this year, images will be sent back to Earth. Nathalie Ouellette is an astrophysicist at the University of Montreal and is involved in the project.
We've been talking a lot about 14 days of terror, all these deployments going on, but really it's all gone off without a hitch, so we couldn't ask for better.
What's next then? Because there are so many parts that could have gone wrong, but let's look forward to what the next milestone is.
Absolutely. So starting in a few days, we're going to be aligning the mirror so it can take very clear images of space. And so the mirror is made up of 18 individual segments that can be moved individually. And so that'll be going on for several months. And we also need to cool down the telescope to very cold temperatures, minus 230 degrees Celsius. And we'll be able to then turn on all the instruments, make sure they work to finally start doing science.
Has it actually arrived at its final destination? It's known as L2, isn't it?
Yeah, that's right. So not quite yet. We think around January 23rd, it will be inserted into its final orbit around Lagrange 2 or L2, as you said.
OK, now I know that Canada is one of 3 partners taking part in this fantastic project. What is Canada's contribution? Because it's really key in terms of the images that we're going to see. Without you, we wouldn't be getting those images.
Absolutely. So this is really exciting. I'm so happy to be the outreach scientist for the mission in Canada. And the Canadian contribution is a double instrument. One is a scientific instrument called NIRISS, which will be able to study exoplanets, find out if they're habitable and very far away galaxies, but also the fine guidance sensor, which is, as you mentioned, mission critical. It will be the eyes of the telescope, which will allow the telescope to point in a precise and stable manner to make sure it's taking clear images for every single observation.
OK, we're fast running out of time, but once that data starts to come in, what are you hoping to see?
So I am very excited to look at the very first galaxies ever created 200 million years after the Big Bang. We've never been able to look that far into the past, so that is something that I'm really looking forward to.
A crucial milestone today for NASA's new space telescope. It unfolded the last of its giant origami-stacked gold-plated mirrors, as seen in this video, before it was launched December 24th. The $10 billion project is the largest telescope ever launched. Its mission, to scan deeper into the cosmos than ever before possible.